So the Reggae Boys coach Paul Hall put his resignation on pause. I don't want to get now to the seriousness of his original decision to resign after just 9 games in charge of the Reggae Boys. Basically, the man just realized same get basket for carry water. And one of the biggest shocks that faced Paul Hall is the lack of commitment of the England-born players. Man said he invited most of the players from the World Cup squad and is mere excuse and unavailable array and there. Other key players are missing games because the JFF cannot make proper travel arrangements. As a result, the man is being forced to take charge of games with weakened and underprepared teams through no fault of his. And I don't have to tell you that he's suffering bad result after bad result after bad result. And look, I know for a fact that people were telling Paul Hall before he took the job that this JFF administration is impossible to work with. Well, after 9 games in charge, the man see for himself yes, and sending him resignation. The JFF beg it out and is doing the game tonight. Stay tuned.